Workplace safety isn't just about avoiding incidents. It's about having the visibility, structure, and tools to prevent them before they happen. That's why integrated safety management matters. With the HSE suite in Ultimo, safety and compliance come together in one place. Incidents are handled efficiently and consistently. Reporting incidents is simple and easy to manage, while digital workers make sure safety events, near misses, and unsafe conditions are captured so nothing slips through the cracks during daily maintenance activities. Instead of juggling separate systems or spreadsheets, your teams work within one structured environment that reduces risk, prevents incidents, and keeps compliance on track. Safety professionals can manage work permits, conduct task risk assessments, apply lockout-tagout procedures for hazardous energy control, and plan and execute change requests, all seamlessly integrated into existing work order and project management processes. Whether your goal is to improve safety, strengthen compliance, or demonstrate full control during audits, bringing it all into one platform delivers real, measurable value. You save time, you minimize risk, and your teams can work safely and efficiently every day. With Ultimo, safety and efficiency work together. For more information or a demo, visit ultimo.com/HSE.